see what's happening outside here? Rain, 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 rain. So there are a few things that you could do when rain is falling. You can cozy up under a blanket on your bed with a book, or lie down and sleep. Or you could make a grilled cheese sandwich, and this is going to be a real quick grilled cheese sandwich with a cup of coffee. That's going to be my lunch. Simple, easy, quick, delicious. You're going to see the cheese melting. I'm hoping that when I break apart the bread, when I break apart the sandwich, you'd see that cheese melting. Yeah, cheese. And very rare when I make a grilled cheese sandwich. But when I'm making a grilled cheese sandwich, Papa, I'm making a grilled cheese sandwich. Heavy on the cheese because I don't do it often. So put the tower on the stove. I use a tower to do my grilled cheese, and I'll turn the heat down. Put my 2 slices of bread. Some people will butter their slices of bread first before they actually start to grill it. I don't want to do that because I'm going heavy on the cheese. Remember, this is a good amount of rennet-free cheese. So what I'll do is turn over one side, yeah, because that side is going to be hot, and just pile the cheese nice and high on that slice of bread. Woo boy, yeah, that's a lot of cheese. Some thinly sliced pieces of onion. Ooh. Have my water boiling for my coffee. I'll make a little Nescafe. I know usually I use hung wing, but today we're gonna have some of this, some Nescafe rich cup of respect. Yes. Be careful. A few drops of pepper sauce, as much as you like or as little as you like. Ooh, this is a nice tasty pepper sauce. Now remember, the flame is on low, so what I will do is just cover up the basin and let that cheese slowly melt, and let the undersides of the bread slowly toast up and get crunchy. See? Oh yeah, cheese is nice and melted, and see, and you can see the bread is nice and toasted. Turn off the stove. Spread some ketchup. Some mustard. Well, heavy on the mustard for me too. A little mayo. And then you just gently take this side and press it down into this side like that. Y'all, that was thunder. Did y'all hear that? That's thunder. Thunder and toast. Thunder and toast. I better go for my ducklings early, boy. I feel so. Alright, this is my grilled cheese sandwich, y'all. This is my grilled cheese. I have some grilled pak choy on the side here. You know, just to mama guy myself a little bit. And my hot cup of coffee. Quick lunch. Quick lunch. I sometimes see on those cooking videos, they will take a knife and do that. But listen. Listen. Oh yeah. Look. Are you seeing that? Yep. That's the situation I was looking for. That's the situation I was looking for. Yum, 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 yum. Let's take a taste test. This is it. Oh, I don't even know. Listen, there are 2 layers of crunchiness to this. The toast, as well as the crunchiness of the onions. It's so good. It brought tears to my eyes. And here's what's going on. I love the contrast of the tanginess of the mustard against the sweetness of the ketchup. That is some awesome grilled cheese. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add another level of crunch to that with my grilled pak choy. Because the pak choy is like 40% cooked. The good thing about this sandwich is that I'm not gonna feel guilty about eating it, because this is like a once every 2 months grilled cheese situation for me. I'll just finish this in time. I heard some really bad thunder and I'm gonna pick up my ducklings early because I want to face that jamming on that road while rain falling around school time. I love all you. Bye bye. Go and grill up some cheese, and you know, if you don't have bread, use roti. I love all you. Be happy, be safe. When you're grilling, when you're making a grilled cheese sandwich, make sure you're alone. And if you're not alone, make more than one. Because I'm telling you, you will not want to share that.